I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 7 Pro. To begin, familiarize yourself with the watch's 5-button layout. The top left button controls the backlight, while the middle left accesses the menu. The bottom left is for down navigation. On the right, the top button starts activities, and the bottom button is for up navigation. This intuitive design allows for quick access to all essential functions and settings, making your interaction seamless and efficient from the very first use. Next, let's dive into activity tracking. Press the top right button to select from over 60 preloaded sports apps, like running or cycling. The multi-band global positioning system ensures superior location accuracy, even in challenging environments. After your workout, save the activity and review detailed metrics such as distance, pace, and elevation directly on the watch face. This provides immediate feedback on your performance and progress. Your Fenix 7 Pro is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, pulse ox levels, and sleep quality, providing valuable insights into your well-being. Track your body battery energy levels, which range from 0 to 100, to understand your daily energy reserves. The watch also offers stress tracking and recovery time recommendations, helping you optimize your training and rest for peak performance and overall health. Finally, enhance your daily life with smart features. Receive notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts directly on your wrist when paired with your smartphone. Utilize Garmin Pay for convenient, contactless payments at participating vendors, leaving your wallet behind. Explore the Connect IQ store to download thousands of free apps, widgets, and watch faces, personalizing your device to perfectly suit your unique lifestyle and needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.